Good afternoon, everyone. I had this all set up and I thought it was going to work out perfect, and it didn't. Oh well, anyhow. This is a little bit of a different video, a lot different video than I normally do, and that's because we're unnecessary. No, what's the word I'm looking for? We're not an essential business at this time, so we're not allowed to do any sort of cleanup or restore anything or do anything, I guess. We're supposed to be just distancing ourselves from everybody, social distancing, I guess. And what better way to do it than on a beautiful sunny day on the river. And I got the canoe in the water. There is one little small leak in it, and a real big one because, yeah, forgot to change lids on the thing, so it dumped over, and by the time I noticed, it was all emptied out all over the canoe. So anyhow, that was fun. So anyhow, our season, like everybody else's, has completely changed, and all our plans for the next year has completely changed. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people doing the same thing, as we're just going to watch what we're doing. We were going to make a major purchase here this month, but that's been put on hold, and we'll probably hold off till next year because we don't know what's going to happen with everybody's pay. You know, I shouldn't say pay, but everybody's money, because if they don't have the money to pay for the lawn care, they're not paying us and they won't have us do the work. So that could happen very easily, and we don't know what's going to happen, so we're staying with what we have right now. We'll be ordering a couple things that we do need to have, but no major purchases this year. We're just put everything on hold for a year because right now I'm worried about getting enough money to make it through this next winter. Yeah, I know it's only March, but because of what's going on, I have to think ahead, and that's what we're going to have to do. And if it works out that we don't need the extra money, that's fine, but I just don't want to take the chance. So I hope everybody's doing well. There's a few people in our area that is in quarantine right now, so we're going to see what happens with that in the next few days. The virus was about 40 miles away as of 2 days ago, so it's probably here. Nobody's been tested for it yet, or nobody's found out yet. So anyhow, I hope everybody's doing well. Like I said, please comment, like, subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified when the next video is released. Everybody have a good evening, and we will see you on the next one.